Scrambled egg with tomatoes.
It's recording.
There you go. Hey, everybody.
Yay! This is Brianna.
What?
This is Brooke. This is Brooke.
This is Brianna. Working.
On my math homework that I didn't do. We're playing
cards.
These cards are actually very interesting. You know,
It's all blurry. Why is it so blurry?
Okay, guys. Anybody have any 8? Cross buns.
Do you have 8?
Cross buns. Do you have any 8s?
Yes, take whatever you want.
Take whatever you want.
Anybody have any 7s? No? Okay, hold on a second.
Take it.
Here's some 5s.
It's really embarrassing.
That's actually really funny.
It is. It's really fun. Take all my cards. I'm not even playing anymore.
I did it. Hold on. I'm just gonna wait here in a second.
Hey, Amber.
What?
Hey.
Okay, someone has a freaking 7, and I want it. You can't have it. I want the freaking 7.
I don't care.
I have to win the game.
No.
I'm an amazing director.
Okay, so I want the bar. Got 7.
I need a 2.
I'm going to zoom in.
Can you get out of my face?
God.
Can I zoom in on you close?
7.
Hey. It's over now.
This is her
Crap.
It's over.
Oh, you said a bad word.
Oh, censor that.
She's mean.
Hey.
No.
Don't start that again, guys, okay? We went down that path yesterday.
We don't have Danny to pick them up this time.
Who has a jack?
Oh,
Someone
Annie does.
You have a kid.
Oh my god.
I want you to know that.
Wouldn't she already know that? Or no?
No.
She wouldn't.
She does, but she denies it.
Okay. She admitted it.
No, I don't.
Yeah, fun, but I'm winning this game.
You're not.
Are you amused?
I am amused. It's amazing.
Who has the king?
Shut up.
I have a king.
Shut up. Okay, that's fine.
Hey, everybody.
I need an 8.
And he's working really
Oh, he's not the king.
Oh, yeah, I need that.
I need an 8.
It's hers.
No, it's not.
Oh, I need an 8.